Now we are talking about good manufacturing practice. All the pharmaceutical manufacturers are to follow good manufacturing practice. But what good manufacturing practice is? It has been introduced by as Schedule M1 in Drug and Cosmetic Rules. And good manufacturing practice is part of quality assurance aimed at ensuring that products are consistently manufactured to quality appropriate to their intended use. But good manufacturing doesn't start from good GMP. It starts from GAP, that means good agricultural practice. You will ask why? What we have to do with good agricultural practice? We are preparing medicine. What is actually done with agriculture? Yes, it is very much required. It always starts with good agricultural practice, as because the market. When you purchase some pulses or some vegetables, sometimes you see for organic level. That means whether it has been prepared organically or not, by organic manure or not. In our literature, it is always given that when you collect some material, some botanical material, you must collect it from natural habitat, where no manure has been used. If you use some manure, especially the chemical manure, those chemicals will come into botanical drug substance, and that will also come into our medicine. So we cannot use any drug substances which has been prepared, cultivated using chemical manure. That is good agricultural practice. Good harvesting practice. Yes, you will have to collect it in the right time, exactly at the time when it is to be collected. Yes, especially normally it is collected, all the drug substances are collected when it's partly in flower and partly in bud. You'll have to collect them, even if it bleeds, you'll have to collect the drug substance when it's partly in the flower, partly in bud. Otherwise, all the medicinal virtue will not be there. Good storage practice. You shall have to keep this botanical drugs properly, in proper storage, otherwise it will deteriorate. Some fungus will come, some mold will come, aflatoxin will come, microbial contamination will be there. So then we describe the drug substance. And finally comes our GMP. That means how to prepare medicine out of that thing. What is the basic requirement of GMP? The manufacturing process is to be defined before the commencement of any manufacturing activity. It is to be defined very clearly and in written form. The facilities should be there, appropriate trained personnel, adequate premises, suitable equipment, correct material, and procedure, and suitable storage and transport. Written procedures have to be followed. Detailed record of manufacturing, including packing, to be kept. This is called BMR, batch manufacturing record. Batch manufacturing record is to be kept. Quality and quantity produced should tally with the norm. Record of distribution, sale to be kept. Arrangement to recall any batch or product if necessary, that should be there. If you conform to all of these parameters, only then you can get a GMP certification. But who is responsible for this GMP? Every person connected to any step of manufacturing is responsible for GMP. There is a collective action, ensure GMP is followed. And there is a very important factor of GMP is validation. An important element of the EMP. Two concepts cannot be separated. But why validation is done? To prove that process is consistently doing what it's supposed to be doing. Say we are using one method of percolation, percolation of the percolation method must be validated. You must be in written form, and in each and every step you shall have to follow that form. To determine the process variable and acceptable limits for those variables, and to set up appropriate in-process control, to assure quality and to see that product is prepared in a reasonable amount of time. Nowadays, we can see in many places that apart from quality control, quality assurance department is there. especially in big manufacturing, pharmaceutical manufacturing, not only pharmaceutical, even in other manufacturing facilities. Quality assurance department is there. And what is quality assurance? How that differs from quality control? Quality assurance is responsible for quality, safety, and effectiveness must be designed and built into product. Quality cannot be inspected or tested into finished product. You cannot. Each step of the manufacturing process must be controlled to maximize the probability that the finished product meets all quality parameters. Validation is a key element in assuring that these quality assurance goals are met. That's why validation is essentially required. And if it fails, overall result will be substandard and questionable quality. Finished product will reach market. Just for example, I'm giving a very small example of taking a biochemic tablet and what quality assurance people will do. They'll check the procedure of receipt of raw material. They'll check procedure of testing and storage. They'll check procedure of issue of material production. While in actual manufacturing, they'll test in every step, weighing whether they weighed properly, sieving, mixing, trituration, granulation, and all these things. Each and every step, the quality assurance people will check. Only then we get good material. Quality is invisible when good, but impossible to ignore when bad.